So one of the things that's important as you look at the connected TV world is to understand the broader economic trends, to understand what's happening in the capital markets and the equity markets of companies, and to understand what's happening with consumers. A lot of parts of the world have significant inflation and have slow or no growth, or even in some cases decline. Fortunately, in the United States market, we've had some robust growth for the last number of years, and that's expected to continue. What that means is that companies that are selling goods and services to consumers, since they drive most of TV ad spend, are growing broadly. So that means we will see more money trying to reach more customers. The capacity to get financing for new products and services, which are driven by interest rates, we've seen interest rates come down significantly over the last year and a half or two. There's a lot of hope that that's going to continue going forward. And so that means that we'll probably see more investment in the ability to acquire new customers. We also expect, given the recent election, that we're going to see more companies buying and selling to each other. And that typically helps investors exit companies and then reinvest in companies, and generally drives more health in the sectors where that happens. And it drives, at least in the earlier phases, more competition between companies as they try to seek these mergers and acquisition strategies. So all of those things added up, I believe, are going to see more investment in advertising and more investment in consumer-based advertising. The final piece that's going to be interesting to watch, and we're hopeful about, is the role of small businesses in this. Small businesses are particularly sensitive to things like inflation. They're particularly sensitive to the cost of fuel, gasoline, heating. And depending on how those markets are, if we see consumer capacity grow, we're going to see a significant growth of small businesses. And because connected TV advertising can be bought in even very small chunks, unlike linear TV, you can spend hundreds of dollars, not just tens of thousands as just an entry point. That could have a really big and very positive impact on connected TV advertising in the United States in 2025.